Do you dance? Do you know how to dance? I dance in my room alone. No? But some people use dancing as form of exercise. That's why some years ago, ballroom dancing had become popular. I know a priest who dances very often because he is diabetic. He says, it's good that I perspire. So dance, but not now, no? Okay. Vamos a bailar, pero nooy. But necessary for someone to be able to dance is to be able to listen. Because you have to adapt your dance steps to the music that is being played. Kasi iba-iba yung sayaw. Merong boogie, merong tango, merong foxtrot, merong sweet. So, they have different music. So, it's awkward that you dance tango to a music of boogie. Hindi pwede. Listening is very important for you to be able to dance properly. Because listening is adapting. I think that is the problem of the people during the time of Jesus. They did not know how to listen. They did not know how to dance. They did not know how to adapt. Jesus was lamenting in the gospel, to what shall I compare this generation? He was almost giving up. It is like children who sit in marketplaces and call to one another, we played the flute for you, but you did not dance. We played something joyful. You did not dance. We played something sad, and you did not cry. What we will be doing to you? And that is the problem of the people during Jesus' time. And you know the reason? Their hearts were closed. They not only did not know how to listen, their hearts were closed. And so, the graces could not come in. Yun po, kapag ang puso ay sarado, ang biyaya ay hindi makapapasok. Kapag ang puso ay hindi marunong makinig, ang biyaya ay masasayang. Isipin niyo, marami sa ating mga problema sa buhay ay nag-uugat sa hindi natin pakikinig. Di ba? Yung mga bata, pinapagalitan ng nanay o ng tatay, pipingutin. Sabi ko, sinabi ko na sa iyo, hindi ka marunong makinig. Ayan, tignan mo ang nangyari. Nadapa ka tuloy, nasugatan ka tuloy. No? Buti nga sa iyo. No? Sinasabi ng nanay yun, pero sa loob niya, masakit yon kasi nasaktan yung kanyang anak. Pero yun, sinasabi ng magulang, hindi ka kasi marunong makinig. I think that is the invitation to us today, to examine ourselves. Do we know how to listen? Because just like dancing, listening is necessary for us to receive God's grace. Amen.